What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Tony Roney, and I am back with it. I'm tired. I don't have the energy. I literally just got off work like an hour ago. I really don't have the energy, but I am in the mood for some barbecue chicken. Oh my god! If you're gonna make what I'm making, this is what you're gonna need, okay? You're gonna need your black pepper. You're gonna need your garlic salt. You're gonna need your onion herb. You're gonna need your chicken bouillon, chicken. God darn it, chicken seasoning. This is the chicken. I already cleaned my chicken, man. That took like 5 hours. Y'all know how it is when you clean your chicken. It takes forever, especially when you're feeding like 5 people. Jesus, if it was just me, I would have these 2 big breasts, these quarter legs or whatever they called, and like 3 legs, and that would have been done. But no, I had to get all of this, all of that. So let me go ahead and season this chicken to get this bad boy in the oven. Oh, last but not least, guys, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add some parsley flakes, and I also added some butter to the top. So I did not add water or nothing because we're just gonna straight bake these bad boys in a little bit of butter. Okay, so no water with just a little bit of butter. Now we're gonna throw it. I'm throwing it in the oven. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. In the oven they go. In the oven for 350. No, 380. About 350 for like an hour and a half. Okay.
All right, now that it's been like an hour and 45 minutes later, you want to go ahead and add that good old barbecue sauce, man. This barbecue sauce is really, really good, man. If you haven't tried this barbecue sauce, give it a try. Trust me, I never disappointed any of y'all. Give it a try. And at this point, man, I am like starving, like no other. I was so hungry. I could have ate that chicken without the barbecue sauce on it. Really, I was ready to eat. All right, now we're gonna throw it back in the oven, uncovered, for about 30 to 35 minutes.
All right, everyone, this chicken is finally done. As you can tell, look at this chicken. Oh my god, look at this chicken, y'all. That's the thumbnail right there. Bam, thumbnail. Bam. Oh, and you know I got to have the onions on mine as well. Over here, we got the veggies. Bam, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, carrots. What else was that? Cauliflower, Brussels sprout, carrots. Well, that's about it. Okay. And over here, well, I'm gonna eat that. And you got the string beans, okay? And that's dinner. Y'all know I'm gonna do a little taste test for y'all, so let me get the plates ready. I'm posing, I can't see nothing. All right, y'all, I am done, man. Look, we got, oh my god, I don't even want to talk. I just want to bite this chicken, man.
Can't see your eyes.
Oh, I'm about to drop my fork. All right. Yeah, it's real good. Oh god, really good chicken. That bad boy hot, but it's so good. I'm about to go smash.